Turn the Ferminator around and take off the back top half. Depending on the kegs or fermenter you have in the Ferminator, you might need to use Ferminator expansions, as you can see here. Take the existing plug out of the top half and put aside. Now take the plug with the attached plug and pour mount and insert it in the hole in the top half. Turn the top half around and then twist the hinges in order to secure the plug in place. Use the multi-tool to fasten the plug while holding the tabs on the front in straight position. Additionally, tighten the tab connectors. Insert the beer lines in the tab connectors. Take a CO2 bottle and check there is CO2 in it. Now take a CO2 regulator. The various plug and pour kits come with an optional CO2 regulator. Attach the regulator to the CO2 bottle using the multi-tool. Connect the CO2 hose to the regulator and place the CO2 bottle in the bottom of the Ferminator. Now connect the gray ball lock disconnects to the CO2 posts on the kegs, which often are marked in. Next, connect the black ball lock disconnects with the beer lines to the beer posts on the kegs. They are often marked out. Return the top half back onto the Ferminator and secure the unit with the Ferminator strap. Finally, attach the tap handles and place the rubber mat in the drip tray. Now it's time for a beer.